Hi there, it's Uncle Laurie here, back with another Shea video. It's Wednesday today, so we're doing our midweek Aussie Wednesday shave. And the Aussie soap we're going with today is SaltLake Soaps from up there in Queensland. And this scent is Attitude. Oh, it's a lovely cologne-y scent. Oh, I believe it's based on Giorgio Armani Attitude. I'll leave the ingredient list and scent description here. And I've already got my half teaspoon of soap ready to go. I'll stick that there I'll squeeze it in the bowl in a minute. And what else are we using? The brush. We're going with the Fuko shaving brush, which has a Banksia knot going right up the center. It's called Emerald Fireworks. Where you can get the sparkles and things in that sunshine. And in there we got a 26mm AP shave Fuko, not Fuko, Sinbad knot. Okay, we'll just put that in my mug to get wet. Put that aside. And the razor, well, we're going with a new razor. New to the den yesterday, came in the post. It's the Yaqi, what's it called? Romulus. Isn't it beautiful? It's a stainless steel 316 CNC machined. So I'll just put the video in here to show the details. Hi there, this is my new Yaqi razor. I just got in the post yesterday and we'll be using it in the shave today. It is the Romulus, made of 316 stainless steel, polished as you can see, and it's a AC blade razor. You may have seen something similar before in this one here, Excalibur. Now this is a comparison of the heads. It's a smaller head, and Excalibur has a sort of a flatter blade angle, whereas the Romulus has a slanted blade. So we're expecting some nice shaves from this. The head's quite light. I'll just measure it. Just comes apart and you've got that rectangular key in the center, or thread. So it weighs just under 16 grams. So it'll be about 16 grams with the blade in it. And the handle, if I can get it to stay steady, is 51 grams. So it's quite handle heavy, but not too bad. We'll see how it shaves first. Oh, hang on, I'll take it apart. Just take that rubber washer off. It's quite a tight fit. As you can see, it's got some nice pins there to grab hold of the blade. Actually, we'll put one in now. We'll find one. And where is it? This one here, we'll put in a Captain Titan Mild, my favourite blade at the moment. So we just put that over there on the pins. and it's very tightly fitted. Sits straight over there, and look at that, lovely. Put the little washer back on. It's got a good length on the thread. Now the handle is also polished 316 stainless steel, so it's all 316 stainless steel. Beautiful, lovely fitting, smooth and shiny. Bit of a fingerprint magnet, but I'd rather have it shiny like this. And we're back. Okay. Already got the blade in there. You probably saw that in the video. Let's get started then. We'll put the pre-shave on, and then we'll go and do the overhead cam or lather cam, and we'll get started. Okay then, we're here at Lather Cam. As you can see, I've already got my Salt Lake Soaps squashed in there. I had to think about that. I also wet it a little bit with my fingers because it's a bit lumpy with some crystallization. Hopefully that'll help it. So I'll just get my brush, give it a squeeze and a couple of shakes, and we'll get started. Alright then, we're back from that lather production, and we have a lovely looking lather. Beautiful. Nice scent coming off. I give it a 4 or 5 out of 10 scent strength wise. It's very nice though, very cologne-y I would call it. With a mix of lemon and wood and florals. Lovely scent. Alright, let's re-wet the face and get started. Let's try out this new razor. This is the first shave by this razor. I haven't even tried it yet. So we'll put the lather on. Oh. The Sinbad knot, it's a nice soft knot. Just has a little bit backbone in it. Very luxurious on the face. If that's your thing, I'll go for one. Alright, let's put some alum on my fingers because that handle looks a bit slippery. It does feel a bit slippery, so I'll put a bit more down my hand a bit. Okay, here we go. I've already got a blade in there, the Captain Titan, the Kai blade, Captain Titan Mild. They're my favourite blade at the moment. AC blade. Here we go. Oh, very nice. Very natural angle. Doesn't feel aggressive at all. Quite a mild shade actually. Milder than the Zamac version, the what's it called, Excalibur. Oh, I love the maneuverability of the head. So the handle's not too bad. I probably would prefer a lighter handle on it. But that's just me. Well, that was pretty efficient. So it's mild but efficient. That's my opinion. Feels smoother than the Excalibur version. I would say this is probably the mildest AC razor I have. Bit more alum. That handle's quite slippery for me. Alright, across the grain. Very nice. You could probably even put the professional plus, isn't it? No, professional super blade, which is a little bit longer blade, in this for a bit of a progression if you want. But for me, it is fine. Oh, wonderful shave. Well, as an experiment, I'll just swap the handle to the one I have on the Excalibur, which is the Midas aluminium handle. I'll just, it's a bit slippery, so I'll have to hang on to it with a towel. I'll cut my fingers. See how that feels with the lighter handle. So we're going with the lighter Midas aluminium handle on the last pass. And that actually feels really nice for me. Actually, the leather's quite wet, so I won't put any more water on. Lovely scent coming off. I'll give it a 4 out of 10 on the scent strength. Nice. I get a bit of grip on this aluminium handle. It's a little bit thicker. We're going against the grain. Oh, I love the maneuverability. Oh, love this razor. So maneuverable. It is mild, so be aware of that. At least it's mild with this blade. Very maneuverable. Wow. That's nice. Just do some touch-ups along the jawline, chin. The moustache feels pretty good. This must be the smallest head I've ever used. It's just big enough to cover the blade. A little bit of irritation just here, but that's all right. Wow, what a lovely shave. Oh, this is a good buy. Be warned, it is a little bit mild, but you can use the super blade in it to make it a bit more aggressive. Beautiful slickness on that soap. I was talking so much about the razor, forgot to talk about the slickness. Wonderful slickness. Keeps the residual. It's a good value soap. If you're in Australia, I don't believe it's available overseas. Okay, let's pat down and give it an alum test. Let's see any weepers. I don't see any weepers. Just wet the alum. Yeah, as I expected, there's a bit of irritation there. Must have pressed a bit hard there. Just getting used to this new razor. But that's the only spot, everywhere else is fine. Yeah, so just that one area there. Everywhere else is fine. Beautiful shave. Let's rinse that off and put the leftover lather on. There's a post-shave sort of moisturiser. And of course I always have plenty of lather left over. Enough for at least 2 passes. Beautiful slickness. Okay. Alright. Just put this on, go and have a shower, come back for the post shave. Wow. Very nice shave. That's a pretty good first shave with that razor. Very nice. No weepers, just a slight irritation in one spot, but that's pretty good actually. Alright, let's get into the post shave. What do we start with? Start with our Imperial Bergamot with menthol crystals. Give it a shake because I've got menthol crystals in it. Ah, wonderful. And it's not tender there anymore. So let's calm down. Right. Then we go for the Natio Calming Aftershave Balm. Give it a shake as well. That should be enough. Wonderful. And the final ingredient we're going with a bit of Melisio Umo Vetiver. We can get the top off. There we go. Wonderful. Greenness, grassiness to finish off. No, that's wonderful. Put it on the head as well. Okay, that's my shave of today. Thank you all for watching and we'll catch you on my next shave. Cheers!